London, you ready?
She want a man,
It's Ricky Rowe's outrageously funny comedy play, She Want a Man, back by popular demand.
Marcus, let's make a baby.
But Claire, mother says wait until we're married.
Let's get married then.
Oh, Claire, now is not the right time.
Marcus, we've been engaged for 7 years. I want a man.
Playing at the Broadway Theatre Catford, Saturday,
24th. Ready, man. I'm me again. Yes, I'm me again, man. Daddy cool. I'm me the girl them love. The girl them love me because them know me and no fool, you know. Me give them money. Make them nice, make them look good. Yes, man. Me sexy. And that's all the girl them like sexy, man. Yes. On the 24th of November, I'll be right down there by the Broadway Theatre. Yes, man. On the big bad show, she want a man. And I mean she want, you know. She don't want another one. I mean she want me. Daddy cool. Lord have mercy. Me say God no. Me don't know why me want so sexy, you know. Lord man. Y'all love me, man. Y'all love me, man. Y'all love me because they say you know what, daddy. Lord, your body just hot. Them say, Lord, daddy, your body slap way. I said, yeah, what do you mean my body slap way? She said, yes, daddy, your body turn up.
I'm sexy and I know it.